Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 9th of recently launched Exp19 course, focusing on Exp22 Excel chapter 9 ML2 house cleaning service. Let's start our assignment. You can see here your project description. You can see here your project description. Get idea about your project. Step number 1 is start Excel. Download and open the file name. Basically, in this step, we will have to download Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded Excel workbook from Itlab dashboard. You can see here my Excel workbook. Okay, you can contact me for your assignment, quizzes, exam, and complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes, and complete course. Okay, question number 2 is that group the templates for week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 worksheets. Okay, select the range A1 to B1 on the template worksheet and fill formats all across. Okay, first we will group the sheets template week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4. Okay, then go to the home tab and click on fill group. Okay, and select the range A1 to B1 on the template worksheet and fill formats only across the other weekly worksheets. Okay, first we select this range. Okay, then template and fill formats only across other worksheet, weekly worksheet. Okay, go to the fill tab, across worksheet, formats. Okay, done, it's done. Question number 2 is completed now. Now moving on question number 3. Question number 3 is that with the worksheets still group, select the range A11 to E11 and fill both content and formatting across the other weekly worksheet. Okay, with the worksheet still group, then select this range A11 to E11 and fill both content and formatting across the other weekly worksheet. Go to the home tab and go to the fill group, then across worksheet, all across. Okay, it's done. This question is completed now. I have done 3 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that with the worksheet still grouped, select the range A12 to D40 and unlock the cell. Basically in this tab we will have to still the worksheet and unlock the cell ranges. First we select this range and unlock the cell. Ranges 12 to D40. Okay, worksheet still group. First we select these ranges. Okay, this range. Okay, and unlock the cells. Go to formats and format cell and protection locked and unlocked here. You can hidden and unhidden here. Okay, unlocked cell and click OK. Cell will be unlocked. Okay, it's done. You can see I have done 4 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 5. Question number 5 is that ungroup the weekly sheets, select the range D12 to D40 in the template worksheet and then create a data validation rule with these. Weekly worksheet will be okay, ungroup sheet is then range D12 to D40 in the template worksheet and then create a data validation rule with these specification. First you can select this range. Okay, This is range D12 to D40 in the template worksheet. Go to template worksheet and select this range and then create a data validation rules with these specification. Click on data. Okay, then click on data validation is here. Data validation. Then these specification allow time greater than C12. Allow time greater than C12. List any values list. Okay, time, okay, sorry, time greater than C12, time greater than C12. Enter the input message title and time. Enter the input message title and time. Input message, the time you enter, the short time invalid. Okay, 1 second. And time greater than C12. Enter the input message title and time. Okay. Okay. Enter the input message, enter the end time, enter the input message title and time. Okay, is equal to C12, then input message is end time. Title is that end time. Okay, then input message is that. Enter input message, enter the end times. Enter input message, enter the end times. Okay, input message, enter the end time. Include the period. Select the stop error alert style. Select the stop error alert style. Error, stop error. Okay, stop is that. Enter the error alert title incorrect and time. Incorrect and time. Title incorrect and time. Then enter the error message. The end time must be later than the start time. The end time must be later. Error message, the end time must be later than start time. Okay, then press OK. OK, end time. Include the period. Okay, its question is done now. I have done 5 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that with the range D12 to D40 selected, the template worksheet, click or press copy display the week 1. Okay, with the range, then template worksheet. Okay, template worksheet, then click, enter this range, select this range. Okay, then click or press copy display week 1 sheet tab. Okay, week 1 sheet, and click or copy the group week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 sheets. Tab and then group week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 sheets. Okay, week 2, week 3, week 4 sheets. It's group. Select the range D12 to D40 and click or press the paste arrow. Okay, this range. Okay, this changes. Then click or press the paste arrow on the home tab. Select paste special, select validation. Paste. Okay, click or press home, paste special. And special, select validation in the paste special dialog box and then click or press OK and group the sheets. Okay, ungroup the sheets. Okay, Microsoft Word and dialog is that paste link, paste. Okay, okay, and group the sheets. It's done. Special dialog box and then click OK, press OK. Then sheets, ungroup the sheets. Sorry, 1 second. Paste special, go to dialog box. Okay, okay, template worksheet. First we select this range. Then go to paste special. Then week 1, week 2, week 3 and week 4 are grouped. Okay. Then paste special and then go to validation. Okay. Okay, then I have done this question. You can see here its question is completed now. I have done 6th question of this assignment. Now moving on question number 7. Question number 7 is that had the template worksheet okay, basically in this step we will have to hide the template worksheet. Right click on template worksheet and hide this sheet. Okay, template worksheet will be hidden. Now moving on question number 8. I have done 7 questions of this assignment. Question number 8 is 0 points. Display the week 2 sheets and insert a split bar between rows 22 and 23. Display the week 2 sheets and insert a separate bar between row 22 and row 23. Week 2 sheet and insert a split bar between row 22 and row 23. Row 22 and row 23. Insert. Go to insert tab. Go to data tab. Insert tab. You can see page layout, view and split. Go to view tab and click on split. Okay, rows 22 and 23 will be splitted. I have done this question. I have done 8 questions of this assignment. Now moving on question number 9. Question number 9 is that display the week 1 sheet, circle invalid data to identify cells containing valid. Okay, week 1 sheet, circle invalid data to identify cells containing invalid and time. Go to data tab and go to data validation. Okay, circle data validation and times. Display the month sheets in cell H4 and H5, include the name. Display the month sheet. Okay, include name and the cells that contain the errors do not error formula. Okay, week 1 sheet. Go to this. Week 1 is equal to D13 and week 1 is equal to D25. Display the week 1 sheet again. Change the first. Okay, week 1 sheet again display and then change the first incorrect and times 11:00 am. First time it will be changed 11:00 am. 11:00 am. Okay, copy and paste. Change the second time to 4:15 p.m. Second time will be changed 4:15 p.m. Okay, I have done this question. You can see here this question is completed now. Okay, I have done 9 question of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and shows on my PC screen. I will provide you A plus grade in your assignments, quizzes, exams and complete course. I can do all courses, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access, accounting, finance, math and many more. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck.